Looking back on my list of bugs that I compiled over the whole semester, I came up with the one thing that stuck out the most, and that was traffic. Whether that be on the freeway, in town, stoplights, my car, anything like that, I always had an issue with traffic every week. So me and my wife sat down, Shayla, and we started brainstorming of ideas that we could use to help solve the issue of driving around town and on the freeway. We kind of came up with a bunch of ideas. We brainstormed for a while, talking about what could be done, and some of the ideas were pretty extravagant, and like double stacking the freeway, northbound on the top layer of the road and southbound on the bottom layer, but that would cost millions and billions of dollars to do. So we started thinking about more economical ways to solve the issue of traffic, and we kind of came up with a few ideas. The first one would be to create tax breaks to those that use public transportation, therefore cutting down on the amount of vehicles that were on the road, or some kind of app that would track if you used like ride sharing, Uber. I guess you could also do public transportation included in that, but you'd have a credit to build up that you could use that money on your favorite restaurants, sporting goods stores, beauty products, things like that. The idea that we liked the most was having a chip installed in your car that would anonymously send data to UDOT's mainframe for traffic lights, and it would be able to track congestion in certain areas. So if there was a lot of congestion on, let's say, University Parkway, more green lights would be made available for the main straightaway than the incoming streets. I know that there's kind of the sensors already on the traffic lights, but it would be kind of like using your phone, the maps and things like that to be able to track the congestion, and then also make that available for artificial intelligence to determine what roads to open up and what not to. So this is the design challenge that we decided that was the most important, because I really hate traffic and I really want that to be solved.